Hi, my name is Jack. Do you want to find some interesting game? Today I will introduce the most interesting game, Super Mario. And this is the game's controller. The one button is to run in and the two buttons is to jump in. And this is moving button. So let's go to course 1.
Let's go.
And on the left top, on the left top, Mario has 5 lives, and on the right top there is a time and score. So let's play. And you can see the mushroom monster. You can't be touched by it, so you have to jump and kill it. That's it. And this question, you jump, there is a mushroom. You can eat, you will become bigger and be hard to kill. There's a lot of mushroom monsters. And you can see there is a pipe, you can go down. And under the pipe, there is a lot of money. I finish it, so I go up. And when you play this game, you can choose to play faster or you can play slower to earn score. If you want to play faster, you just keep running and don't kill the monster. And here is the mushroom. When you eat, you can fly. Just shake your controller like this, and you can fly higher. And now I go to in this course, so I just keep going. And the turtle, when you kill it, you can kick it back. Like this. We jump and kick his back. I be touched, so I can't fly anymore. And there is a flag. You jump higher and your score is be more much. And like this. So I clean this course, and you know how to play.